What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release October 15th. But before we get into that shoe, want to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the women exclusive Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Starfish. This one right here is dropping October 27th. It is available now on Fineline1721.com. If you want to pick it up. Pairs are shipping early. Also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check it out. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, you can see we have the standard Air Jordan Retro 4 box, red Jumpman logo with the white flight branding. Taking a look at the label, women's Air Jordan 4 Retro, Canyon Purple, Safety Orange, size 10 we're going to be taking a look at, which is basically the equivalent to a size 8.5 in men. Flip this box up, peel the paper back. Now let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Canyon Purple. This one right here is a women exclusive Jordan, which goes up to a size 16.5 in women, which is the equivalent to a size 15 in men. I do have pairs available on the website, Fineline1721.com, if you want to pick you up a pair. Getting right into it, these do come with an added accessory, which is basically an all black pair of laces, which is kind of like roped around the purple laces that come factory lace inside of the shoe. Taking a look at the top down view of the shoe, we have the Canyon Purple sock liner, which is basically kind of like this shiny nylon material. Going behind the tongue, we have the Safety Orange lining, all black tab with the Safety Orange Air Jordan branding. Going back around to the front of the shoe, we got the orange Jumpman sitting on top of the flight branding. The whole upper is dressed in a thick, hairy Canyon Purple suede, kind of feels like an old fuzzy tennis ball to the touch. As you take a look at the waffle lace holders and also the midsole, on pictures they definitely come off as being gray, but in hand it has kind of like a green tint to it. Now taking a look at the outsoles of the shoe, we have the hits of black, white, and that green colorway that I was referring to earlier. Got the Safety Orange Jumpman logo sitting right here on the bottom as well. Nothing special about the heel tab, nothing behind the flap. Jumpman logo, no Nike Air branding on these. Going around to the medial side, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Same fuzzy suede throughout the whole uppers as stated earlier. So that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Canyon Purple. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up, you can do so. Head over to the website, Fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.